Hello friends, today we are discussing about chlorination reaction, a substitution reaction of alkene. Here, methane molecule will substituted by chlorine molecule in presence of UV light and produce chloromethane, then dichloromethane, then trichloromethane, then tetrachloromethane. That reaction is given by mechanism free radical reaction, in which step 1 is chain initiation reaction, in which chlorine molecule with UV light get homolysis and produce chlorine free radical, and single electron is getted by each chlorine atom, and there is two probability by chlorine radical. One probability is that chlorine free radical attack on chlorine molecule, and the single electron is shared by chlorine free radical, and it will give chlorine free radical and chlorine molecule. Here we also in detail that the chlorine radical share its single electron, and that single electron will also share by another chlorine of chlorine molecule. They produce covalent bond and gives chlorine molecule, and one is chlorine free radical. And another step is that our chlorine free radical is attack on methane molecule. Here our chlorine free radical share single electron to methane, and hydrogen will share a single electron to chlorine, and another single electron given to carbon and produce covalent bond and gives HCl molecule and methyl radical. But here we should note that probability is not productive, because chlorine real radical is produce chlorine radical, so it is not productive. But here chlorine radical gives a methyl radical, so that is our productive step, so it is productive, so we consider it. Another probability is also possibility that chlorine radical it attack on methane and it will produce hydrogen free radical and methyl chloride. How? The electron, so it will produce methyl chloride and hydrogen free radical. So in between two steps, which one is preferred is discussed by bond energy. Here we know that to proceed the step, carbon hydrogen bond should be break, which require 104 kilocalorie energy, and another is also possible कि carbon hydrogen bond should be break and required 104 kilocalorie energy. But here bond breaking energy will be provided by bond formation energy, in which in first step the bond formation energy by HCl is 103 kilocalorie, and it will provide to carbon hydrogen bond should break, so it required only 1 kilocalorie energy extra for the process to continue. And the second step, there is carbon chlorine bond formation produce 84 kilocalorie energy, and that will be provided for bond breaking energy 104, and difference is that we should provide extra 20 kilocalorie energy to this step should be proceed. So here energy of activation for producing methyl radical is 1 kilocalorie, and activation energy is to produce hydrogen free radical is at least 20 kilocalorie. So there is difference that 20 kilocalorie energy extra required for hydrogen radical, and that is give us idea that reaction will be provide more fast than another one. So we consider this step for our mechanism. And after that reaction, the methyl radical will attack on another chlorine molecule, and that will share its single electron and bond form by covalent bond and produce methyl chloride and chlorine radical. So that one step and another step, repeat and repeat, repeat and repeat, and produce so much multiple product. And after that it is a chain termination step in which our two free radical. Last step is our chain termination step in which two free radical combine and produce stable molecule which are highly stable. So here chlorine share is single electron, chlorine radical another single electron, and produce chlorine molecule which is stable. So two free radical combine and produce stable one. Two methane radical combine and produce ethane stable molecule. One methane molecule and one chlorine free radical combine and we will produce methyl chloride. So that is the complete information about free radical mechanism, and which step is possible and which step is not possible is also given by our idea and complete information in detail. Thank you.